My name is Regina, I'm from Mexico and I've been 4 months in Barcelona. It's a beautiful and very safe city. It's near everything, so it's very easy and affordable to travel in Europe. It has a great nightlife, it has the beach, it has the mountain, it has all of these amazing places near it that you can go to Costa Brava or to all of these places in Catalonia. And I like the fact that you can speak Spanish and it's also very international, so you get to meet a lot of people from different places. The staff at EU Business School has helped me through the whole process of being here in Barcelona, from the start when I was getting my application done until the visa process and finding a home here. The thing I like the most about EU Business is that the classes are super dynamic and hands-on. You can tell that the teachers and the professors are very experienced. The faculty is very easy to approach and it's very international, and the fact that I get to practice my English every day, it's great, and I think I've gotten much better. Si alguien me preguntara si tomaría la misma decisión de venir a Barcelona y estudiar en EU Business, yo les contestaría que lo volvería a hacer 100 veces. Ha sido una de las experiencias más padres de mi vida.